So this was a SECC kind of basic introduction to filmmaking, lighting basics, sound, all of the components of great video storytelling. I feel like I'm better prepared to prepare my students.
I'm very new to teaching media. This is only my second year, and so this has been monumentally helpful in giving me some of that basic background and confidence.
So, if I open up the lens, see how bright they got real quick?
The benefit to this for media teachers is that they're being exposed to new concepts in video production and filmmaking that they may not be aware of. This is a chance for us to come in and not say, no, you don't know what you're doing. This is a chance to say, what you're doing is awesome, and here's how we can improve on that.
If you're missing anything in the way that you approach your class, or you feel like you could use something extra, take a course that we offer. Because that hands-on instruction is going to be really vital for being able to extend the way you teach in the classroom.